Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get colored grip tape on Skate 3. Make sure you already buy the game. Make sure you already have the game. I do not promote piracy or none of that. Make sure you already have the game. Make sure you already bought the game. And make sure you already have the emulator as well. So, now, we're going to get right into it. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the file location of your emulator. Okay, so we're gonna go to the file location. Okay, and then we're gonna rename it to Xenia. Make sure you name it to Xenia exactly like this, because if you don't, it's not gonna work. So make sure it's exactly this name. Okay, now we got the exact name. Okay, now we just open it. Okay, we opened it. All right, now we opened it. Now, since we opened it, but now we just go to your edit skater. You know, we gotta edit our skater. So let's go edit our skater. Skater, and we go to merchandise. Okay. Once we go to merchandise, we just go to skateboard, and then we go to decks, and then we're gonna go to customizable board, and then we're gonna choose the color black because that's what we need. And then we open the save editor. I'll have it in the description, don't worry. And then once we open this, we choose hidden RGB because we're gonna make our own, you know. And then now we just pick all RGB color value that we want, aka the color you want it to be. And don't worry, I'll have it in the description of color values you can use for this. So what you do, okay, is just pick what color you want. I'll say red, cause whatever, and then we'll just set it. Double click just to make sure, you know, double checking. You know. And then once we double check, we go to replace. Okay, we're gonna go to hidden RGB, and we go to blackboard, because that's the one we're using. And then just replace it. Double check just to make sure. And then once we double check and make sure, we exit this thing. And then once we exit, I think I'm well done. As you can see, I got a red skateboard. So, and that's how you can get colored grip tape on Skate 3. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. I don't mind. Your choice. Thank you. See you.